Section 1. The Unseen Path. A Journey of a Single Mile. It started with a whisper, a quiet rebellion against the stillness. A single mile. The idea felt almost insultingly simple. What could possibly change by walking a distance I could drive in less than 2 minutes? Skepticism, with a flicker of desperate hope beneath it. I needed a change, so I chose a tiny act, unaware it was a doorway, not a destination. The first walk was an exercise in self-consciousness. My breathing felt loud, an announcement of my unfitness. I came home tired and slightly foolish, but I had done it. Section 2. The Heart of the Matter. Cardiovascular Awakening. My heart had been a silent, unappreciated engine. I noticed it only when it pounded with anxiety or fluttered with too much caffeine. But with each daily walk, a conversation began. That steady rhythm became reassurance. A gentle, consistent workout, growing stronger every step. The science is simple and powerful. Major heart organizations champion walking to prevent heart disease, the leading killer of men and women. Regular walking lowers blood pressure by making arteries more elastic, letting blood flow with ease. It helps manage cholesterol, lowering LDL and boosting HDL. Daily life got easier. My resting pulse trended down. Better circulation meant warmer hands and feet, a cascade of wellness from one simple beat. Section 3. The Gentle Burn. Weight, Metabolism, and Blood Sugar. Weight felt like a battle of deprivation and punishing workouts. A mile doesn't torch calories like HIIT or a long run, but its magic is unwavering consistency. 80 to 100 calories a day adds up. Over 30,000 a year. That's more than 8 pounds. Quietly burned. No treadmill required. Timing matters. A walk after your largest meal helped me most. Guidance from leading clinics supports post-meal walks to curb glucose spikes. Active muscles soak up excess glucose. Fewer spikes, fewer crashes and cravings. My post-meal slumps faded, replaced by steady energy. I reached for less sugar and less caffeine. For prediabetes and type 2 diabetes, this simple change is a powerful tool. Walking boosts insulin effectiveness and helps stabilize blood sugar. Results appeared over months. Gradual, sustainable reshaping. Not a crash diet, a steady nudge to metabolism. Weight control doesn't have to be a war. It can be a partnership with your body. Section 4. A Clearer Mind. The Neurological Gifts of a Daily Stroll. My mind felt like a browser with too many tabs. At first, I worried and planned the whole time. Then the rhythm, left, right, became a physical mantra. Neuroscience backs the feeling. Walking boosts endorphins, natural mood lifters and pain relievers. A brisk walk can lift well-being for hours. Studies show regular activity can enlarge the hippocampus, key for memory and learning. Better blood flow supplies oxygen and nutrients, protecting brain cells and wiring new connections. My best ideas started arriving mid-stride. Moving meditation soothed anxiety and unlocked a more focused, more creative me. Our bones and muscles are the silent scaffolding of our lives. With daily walking, a quiet strength built from the ground up. Walking is weight-bearing. Your body works against gravity. That gentle stress signals bone formation and density. It engages glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calves, boosting endurance and tone. Stronger muscles support joints, ease aches, and improve balance. Daily tasks felt easier, posture and stability improved. The daily mile became a slow construction project, reinforcing my framework for a resilient future. As a woman, the daily walk met me at every life stage. From early career to pregnancy, through menopause, into active aging. It protects the heart and fortifies bones against osteoporosis. Endorphins stabilized my mood, and gentle exertion improved my sleep. With a doctor's okay, walking is safe in pregnancy, helps weight, back pain, and mood. Through menopause, combat midsection weight, preserve bone density, and sleep better. No fancy membership, no expensive gear. A democratic exercise that meets you where you are. A clear, simple way to invest in lifelong vitality. New habits need wisdom and preparation. Invest in proper footwear. It's the most important upgrade. Check with your clinician, especially if you have heart issues, diabetes, or severe arthritis. Start slow, even 10 minutes, and build up. Hydrate. You lose more fluid than you think. Choose safe, familiar routes. Be visible in low light. Mild soreness is normal. Sharp, sudden, or persistent pain is not. Stop and seek guidance. With smart precautions, your daily mile stays restorative, not risky. Weeks became months. The mile transformed from chore to ritual. Life stayed busy. I changed, calmer, stronger, more connected. Energy for family, clarity for hard moments, rest that truly restores. Health lives in small, consistent acts. The mile is the metaphor. Consistency is the method. You can begin now. Give yourself 20 minutes. Step outside and walk to the end of your street. Notice the air. Hear your rhythm. Feel your heart answer. You're not just going for a walk. You're beginning a path that can quietly change everything.